Imagine a sunny afternoon, a book in one hand, a cool drink in the other, and you're swaying gently in the breeze. Where are you? In a garden hammock, of course. These blissful sanctuaries can enhance our outdoor spaces and provide unparalleled relaxation. Ever wondered about the different types of garden hammocks and how they can transform your outdoor space? Stay tuned to find out. Garden hammocks come in all shapes and sizes, each offering unique comfort and style. Let's start with rope hammocks. These are classic, durable, and perfect for those warm summer afternoons. They're made from either cotton or polyester, with the latter being more weather-resistant. Next, we have quilted hammocks. These are the epitome of luxury, often featuring a plush, padded surface for extra comfort. They're ideal for cooler climates, providing a cozy nest to curl up in. Moving on to Mayan hammocks, these are hand-woven, lightweight, and incredibly breathable, making them a great choice for hot weather. Meanwhile, Brazilian hammocks, known for their exceptional comfort and durability, are perfect for a good night's sleep or a lazy afternoon nap. Last but not least, camping hammocks. These are lightweight and portable, designed for outdoor adventurers who want to combine comfort with their love for nature. With such a variety of hammocks available, there's definitely something to suit everyone's taste. Beyond simply being a place to unwind, garden hammocks have a host of other benefits. Imagine sinking into a comfortable hammock, the gentle sway promoting a deep sense of relaxation. This peaceful environment can even improve your sleep quality. Moreover, having a hammock encourages spending more time outdoors, connecting with nature, and enjoying the fresh air. And let's not forget, a hammock enhances your garden aesthetics, becoming a focal point of beauty and tranquility. Incorporating a hammock into your garden not only offers a comfortable retreat, but also adds a stylish touch to your outdoor space. Now that you know about the different types of hammocks and their benefits, why not consider adding one to your garden? A hammock can transform any garden into a personal oasis. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more such enlightening content. Until next time, happy hammocking!